Hey, Danielle DeAngelo from Signature Choice Realty here. So, you've been pre-approved, you found the home of your dreams, and you're ready to submit your offer, but want to know how the process works. Well, you're in luck because I'm here to help. One of the first factors to consider in your offer is the asking price. Consider how the price you like to make an offer compares to similar properties for sale in the neighborhood. You can ask your realtor, even as a buyer, for a Comparative Market Analysis, also known as a CMA, on the home you're interested in compare it to other properties in the area. This can show you how the home you want to make an offer on compares in both the home's features and in market value. Next, you should consider the current market conditions. How in demand is the property you're interested in putting an offer on? Is there a chance you'll be one of multiple offers on the home? If that's the case, what's the most you're willing to pay for the home? You want to make sure, multiple offers or not, you don't exceed your budget, since that could cause problems later on. Finally, think about any contingencies or requests you want from the seller. If you ask for a flooring allowance or a countertop allowance, you might not be able to ask for much of a price reduction from the current listing price. So, if you think you're ready to go house hunting so you can make an offer, let me know at 229-474-7467 so we can find a house for you to call home.